Alrighty. Hey, where's my ping tuber? Hello, everybody. What's up, Wicked? Good to see ya. Roxy should be here in a little bit. Get started here in a minute. Okay. But for now, we can make my Discord window invisible, right? All right. It's Thursday. We made it here. The week's almost over. Tomorrow we have the Friday show. It's just a fun show where you have some USDC to give out. Roxy has a tweet about, or he hasn't tweeted yet, but he has a poster made. Tweeted out today. We'll get it in the chat. And I did a tweet about it. So you can show that post some love if you'd like. And at 4 p.m. UTC tomorrow, we're going to try to get some instances of Cheer for Gear popped up, and everybody that makes an appearance on my stream, we're going to have a poll and give away some USDC to the top 3 places. And then for the raffle, you have to just hop in the Discord. So the top link there will get you to Impossible Dream Studio, and the bottom one is Pickaxe Master. But for this one, if you hop into the Impossible Dream Studio Discord, you can earn yourself some raffle tickets. So let me show you how you do that. So this is the Impossible Dream Studio Discord. We have somebody that joined. right here at the top of the Roxy Miguel is now following. Probably get a. Do you want me to call you? Oh, hello. Can Roxy come out and play? Oh, hello.
Oh, you are. How
How's
are
it?
you?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you today?
Doing good. Woke up with a headache.
Hmm, that's never fun.
But yeah, woke up like 4 a.m. That but then woke up again at 6 a.m. But I don't have any headache anymore.
Nice.
Weird.
That's
I love
nice.
sound, low sound for you.
Low sound for me?
Low sound, low volume
Like in Discord or on the stream?
from my headphones. I think weird.
Yeah, I think the volume's pretty good on my end.
Yeah.
You're a little quieter today than yesterday, but I don't hear an echo. And that's very nice.
Echo? No echo anymore.
Yeah,
Probably because I'm on Linux again.
probably. It's always Windows'
Probably.
fault.
Yeah. It's all fault of Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs.
Don't you mean Bill Gates?
Potatoes, tomatoes,
Hmm. Tomato, tomato.
fries.
Well, I'm just getting started with the stream here. We're about 14 minutes in.
What are you doing today? The weekend?
What am I doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Well, I was just gonna talk about the show tomorrow and everything else we got going on, and then maybe work on
Nice.
Cheer for Gear for a little bit. What were you thinking we could do?
It's the same. It's just thinking of the same.
Well, we could start by announcing the website. Throw that out there.
Sounds good. Go ahead.
So it's pretty cool. Impossible Dream Studios has a website now again. It was the same one that it used to be. It came to my
Yeah.
understanding. Let me grab it. I'll have to get a link thing set up for it. A command. But yeah, if you hop over to that website,
Links.
I put the link in
Exclamation
chat.
point links. Exclamation point links. Very nice.
Oh, exclamation point Linux.
Links.
Oh, links. You said Linux.
Link. Links.
Let me get my browser visible.
I think that I'm those kind of like sick Linux guys, right?
Mm-hmm. I think so. This is it. We got a landing page with all of our social links and the one
Wait,
other page we have. So yeah, just let me know if it works for everybody. But the fashion
Works
show,
for me.
it works for you?
Yeah, I can answer. It's pretty
Nice.
cool.
And so then there's the right over here. We'll have more pages than just one, but right now we're just featuring the fashion show webpage. And this page took a lot longer to make. We've been working on this one for like a while.
Like 2 years maybe.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about 2 years, but like a while. And there's still
Yeah.
stuff I would like to do on it. But it's like an interactive website for the fashion show. And also I did realize that the question mark isn't working right now, so it's a work in progress. But this is our website for the fashion show, and you can sprint. So you can run over here, and these big billboards are like a link to the experience page. And then there's a bunch of doors where the curtains open up that you can interact with to get all the information about the fashion show. So hopefully this website and like this webpage right here can help legitimize the fashion show and cheer for gear, and hopefully like just help create momentum to keep it going in the future, I guess. So that's what this is. Pretty happy with it. But yeah, it's still a work in progress. I need to make it a little lighter, I think, for the most part. But it's pretty cool. And then, so there's all these doors, and there's several ways to move around and interact with things that you can explore. There's like a whole group of settings. So if the page doesn't quite look right on what you're accessing the website with, you can change it. Um, there's like music and sound effects and stuff, which I can try to turn on now. I think
It's turned off by default, I think, right?
you can reset things. So if I hit reset it, by default the settings are on and the sound effects are like turned down, but it doesn't work on
Yeah.
mobile. Like the sound effects jump scare me when I use it on my phone. But I think you're hearing this. Let me turn it up.
I tested on mobile and it looks amazing and it feels amazing.
Also, there's like running sound effects and there's walking sound effects.
Let
Roxy
me hear. Oh yeah.
Roxy put this whole sprite sheet together, so it's like our first time of getting a sprite sheet to work, which is super cool.
Yeah.
I want to jump sometimes, but then I'm like, I realize that we didn't put a jump in, you know? And then there's the paparazzi. You can turn them off if you don't want to hear the clicking, but the rest of the sound effects. That's pretty much it. So there's some empty space, and like we wanted the website to feel like an experience. So the only thing you can do when you spawn in is like hit these buttons or like click on the billboard, which takes you to the experience page. Otherwise, you gotta walk around. Why did it load up 3 times? But anywho, here you get the button to play. Anything else you want to say about this, Roxy? Now that we have the home page also, I need a button to go back to the home page.
Yeah. Just the icon, the ID icon, right?
Yeah, that'd be a good way to go back to home page. Just put the logo in there and turn that into the home page. But for now, you gotta hit back.
Everything.
So yeah, and then you can get to our Discord here and all of our socials. So, Roxy, how do you like we build impossible dreams?
Oh,
What? Impossible Dream Studio is a small experimental shop turning ideas into games, websites, and prototypes. Yeah. And then I added these hover over text so it actually labels what the buttons are without the text cluttering everything. So you can see what,
that's nice.
yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to hover over on this as well. But everything's a work in progress, so if anybody hops in the website, we will be working on this. Which leads me to a fun show tomorrow, which you have a poster for that you made.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah. Are you gonna post it on X?
Yeah.
You should do that and then put the link in chat. So tomorrow the show, which I posted about yesterday on X, 4 p.m. UTC tomorrow. We're going to have a stress test for Cheer for Gear. Hopefully, at least get eight people into one instance. That'd be super cool. Um, and then potentially a couple instances if we can get a lot of people hop in. That'd be awesome. And we're gonna have like a mock fashion show where people are just going to be watching the stream, and we're going to put up a Twitch poll of people participating, and everybody that votes for the poll will just have like a top 3 or whatever, and that's how you'll get paid. The prizes are going to be same for the raffle.
So, the prices are going to be for tomorrow or for
Tomorrow's going to happen.
for
We'll talk about it more later. But the other way that you can win a prize tomorrow is through raffle tickets. How do you earn raffle tickets? You participate with the fashion show judge app that we created, and that is on the Be a Judge page. So you interact with it with commands. This is called like a command line interface bot. Command line interface. So you have to put commands in the line interface. But it's pretty easy here because you can hit slash and all of the commands just pop up. So you can just like click on leaderboard and hit enter. And right now there's only 8. I think this only has the potential to spawn 10. So eventually there's going to be pages. But yeah, this is an easy way to do it. I can see that we had somebody else hop in and vote. So it's going up. Super cool to see. And you click this button to view, and you push one of these stars on what the vote you want to give it. The votes are going to be private. We won't show that. But I do have a backend database where I'm just going to grab everybody's votes as raffle tickets. So, are people going to be able to win more than once? Or should
That's a
we pull
question.
all their names if they win one? Because we're going to do 3 drawings. The first one's going to win $10, the second one's going to win $20, and the third one's going to win 70 in the form of USDC on Polygon. I think you should be able to win all three just due to the nature of raffle tickets and how it works. And usually it's just a raffle system is like one person wins it all. So I'm going to say that your names don't get pulled out. What's your argument? Or do you agree?
Hmm. Just once. Be the one once. Reward once.
So you have 8 raffle tickets in there, and your name gets pulled, and you win $10, and then you're not allowed to try to win the 20 and the 70.
Yeah.
It's pretty harsh, man.
Alright, so let's do it the other way. Why do you ask me?
I don't know, just for a debate on it.
You know that I don't like debates.
All right. Well, we're gonna. I don't know. Well, we're gonna think about it more, but probably leave names in for everything. But just pull that one ticket. So if you have 8 tickets, and I pull one ticket out, you're not. You're gonna be down to 7, basically, instead of pulling all of them. I think I can do that. Pretty sure. All right. I'll just keep a list of names to the side and repopulate the wheel of names every time. Just delete one out as it comes in. Shuffle them up each time. So that'll be fun. And then the Twitch poll will be easy. We'll just take everybody's names that participated and put them in a poll. And it's going to be 70 for first, 20 for second, and $10 for third. So yeah. You can get in the Discord and play with the bot. And make sure to join us tomorrow, 4 p.m. UTC. I hope you can make it. Let's get GameMaker open now. So I think on the experience here, Chip for Gear, we pretty much have the loop pretty good now. I worked on it a little bit last night, and I think it's pretty clean. Fingers crossed. I just have to build a failsafe if someone leaves the Cheer for Gear loop before it finishes. Because right now, everything, it's like a row of dominoes, and every domino has to fall for the next thing to happen. But what if, like, somebody in the array, what if their game crashes? Or what if they slash respawn because they don't want to be in the game or something? I could put a checkpoint in there, but that still doesn't get rid of people's games crashing, and then the whole game just doesn't work. So, yeah, I have to do something for that. Because I can't just have like a hard reset button that people can push to just ruin everybody's game if they feel like it, you know? So, that's pretty much it. I was going to think about that a little bit. Also, the quests are broken right now because I can, like, however I built it, I don't know. It's the light. It's all part of the coins. So enter POI dot zero. Enter POI dot zero. Receiving. Because I thought I built a failsafe already. POI true false.
There are some ads. Stream
Ads.
ads.
Maybe because it's a persistent. Just stop trying to do persistent. Whoops. Maybe that'll fix it. Because there's already a whole checker system built, which I thought was the case. Let's see. Did you post the poster on X?
No, I have some questions for you.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. You think, what do you think will be better? Having an impress through impress or cheer for gear? Or how can I explain it better what is going on tomorrow on the post?
Um,
What we are going to do for tomorrow?
just like a fashion fun stream.
Fashion funds, right?
Yeah, do you hate it or do you love it?
I love it.
Okay, so you run over here. Excuse me.
Should show font stream. You hear me typing?
I cannot.
Oh, that's nice.
Alright, so persistent variables are probably messing it up. something wasn't set up properly. So if I just don't try to do persistent variables, it'll work properly. The quest is persistent though, so I can't get it again. But I'm pretty sure it wasn't working like that. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Alright, so if we go into objectives, just like quests. Parameters. Multiplayer settings. Here we have the 1 and 8. That's good. I don't know, maybe it's all just variables. Why did the quest not start though? A message I sent? Unlock default, launch 0. So if we search for launch 0, let's go to the rules where this message gets received. UI true false. Hmm. Data storage? Okay. Just gotta keep looking. Just turn persistent variables off. We'll leave that persistent. Data storage. Data storage tab. Next time I'm looking for it. Data storage tab. Ba, 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 ba. So it would probably be like super boring to try to build. There's the quest. Try to build the loop. Or try to build the failsafe if somebody leaves the runway on stream. So maybe we should just like do a test.
Wait, what?
what do you think? Are you on Linux right now? And it would take you an hour to get Sandbox up.
No, no, no. Wait, why?
Like 10 minutes.
Yeah, you want me to switch to? Would you want me to enter to the client?
Yeah, I do want to have a test today.
Yeah, all right. We'll be right back.
Okay. So I think I got the quest thing figured out. We'll just get rid of the persistence. Just allow the quest to be there every time for now. So while we wait for Roxy, maybe we can just think this through. What's happening? So there's this board that's called the array checker. Let's open that up. Hello? Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
there you are.
Hola.
Hola.
Okay.
Do you have the link, or you want me to make an update?
Make an update.
That was fast, right?
Yeah, that was super fast.
Are you ready for the update?
Do it.
Uh, now it's loading.
All right, fingers crossed. Hey yo. Also, now they're like make sure that it keeps working if somebody doesn't go in there by itself, you know? We're all good now. As long as the game doesn't crash.
I mean,
Would you like the honors of starting it?
alright. Oh, right here. I always forget to do it. Can you put a quest indicator
Yeah,
or
or
an asset
we can put an
indicator?
asset or something on them.
Alright, dragons. What do you
Dragons.
want me to do?
I just want to do the loop a few times to make sure it's working. Dinosaurs are kind of like dragons, right?
Yeah.
How much time do I have left?
I don't know, but I need a chest. 35 seconds. I think, how many times do you set? It says
I
name.
changed it to 90 seconds.
Maybe. Well, I think it's perfect. It says name on the HUD. Name. Name.
What does it say?
Name.
Oh, it didn't. It should say the loop timer. Or, I don't know, timer. So, like, if you were to slash respawn right now, it would break. That's what I have to fix. Still.
I'm a lizard.
You know, that's good roleplay, dude.
Yeah.
I'll give you points for roleplay for sure. Alright. Go ahead and try to start. Go ahead and start one now.
Again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I started at the beach. I wish I don't have clothes anymore.
At the beach, huh? That's a tough one.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess we could wear this. How much time I got?
12
I need to
seconds.
build in some sort of time or some sort of sound things.
To other people,
So you,
players.
yeah, so you know how much time is left without while your inventory's up.
Like a nice idea.
All right, this next loop, let's not go into it, okay? Out of time.
I can feel that I am on the beach.
That one started right away. How did that one start right away? I'm confused. Don't go into this one, please.
What about now?
No, don't go in this time. I don't know how it um started on its own. That's black and white. The only thing that's throwing this outfit off is the orange wings. Couldn't find a black chest.
No theme, go start game. Do you get that?
Alright, let's play this one. See if it starts itself again.
I published the link.
Anybody
Oh,
else that wants to hop in and try to test this out before tomorrow? That'd be awesome. I would love you forever. Meme?
I posted the link on your chat.
Oh, thank you. So yes, go show that Expos some love, please. Meme.
I know what thing could work for me.
How much time I got? Some goofy arms. It's actually good. don't know,
15
something.
seconds.
Do you like my alpha season, Gary?
Yeah, I love. Do you like my fairy godmother's food?
Yeah. So basically, we're just going to be doing this, and everybody that participates in my stream will just be watching. Then we'll put everybody's names in a Twitch poll, and that's how you're going to win USDC. Just put on the best outfits, and I'll be standing right there watching, and we'll just judge. Because I still have to build the voting system, which is going to be a little bit complicated, I think. Did you start it the last time? Can you just
No.
reach him when you spawn? Sometimes he just starts for that because he feels like it. Maybe it was like saved because oh, I bet you it's saved because I was testing it. So I clicked afterwards while I was still alive, but it was toggled. But it saved that yes. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Normal jobs. Pirates are normal jobs, right?
Yeah.
But I'm super happy with where we're at. It's working really good. I hope
Where are
this
you?
I hope this game catches on a little bit because people have so much cool assets in this game. You know, at the very least, the Sandbox people have designed a lot of cool assets you can wear. And if you have a huge
Yeah.
supply of assets, you know, it's like perfect for this game. I'm a Playboy Bunny. Um, I'm a Playboy Bunny mar- Marine. That's a
You should
normal job,
enter.
right?
I don't have any. Oh,
I'm
I
a
have something.
I'm a Marine undercover at the Playboy Mansion.
Oh, I almost did it.
You're a fairy spaceman.
Oh, I'm a space, just a spaceman.
Oh,
That's
I
it.
saw the wings.
I
Uh,
was trying to get in before I couldn't enter.
no Dancy for you. All right, perfect. Perfection. Couldn't be working any better. Um, so yeah, that's about it for today. Tell your friends about tomorrow. Make sure everybody
Yeah.
shows up. Hey, Booful's here. Hello,
I put the
Booful.
link. Yeah.
I do need to update the FAQ. That's true. This is for the fashion show, not for Cheer for Gear. Some of it's right,
A
like
little
some the
beautiful.
catwalk credit, the Dow, probably leave that in there. But yeah, no fashion show. Hey, Boopful, you want to get in one? Should we start one up? See if everybody joins. Rockstar.
Rockstar. So now we have 90 seconds to dress as a rockstar.
90 seconds to dress as a rock star. That is right. Mm. Man, it would be so cool if you could, like, organize your gear in some way at all. You're really wild.
Twenty seconds.
20 seconds left.
Can we enter the backstage?
Nope. I turned it off. There's nothing that happens over here.
That's nice. 5 seconds left.
So once the lock turns green, then you just have to enter the trigger volume over there.
Oh,
Now there's 3 models in the array. So now the loop will happen 3 times instead of 2.
oh, that's a nice guitar you have there.
Slaps, bro. See that? Literally slaps.
Dance as a rock star.
Let's go! Might be the first person to walk down the runway and cheer for gear other than Roxy and myself. I don't know that for sure, though. It's the first person I saw.
Yeah,
There goes Roxy.
thinking.
I need to build the sound system and the lights and all this because the weather needs to dim. We need to put the spotlights up. We need some music for this. Maybe I could work on that a little bit tonight. Alright, and it'll teleport us all out. Let's go! Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Are you impressed?
I am. Look at me.
I'm glad it's working. It was really, this whole project is a bit overwhelming. This little bit. I mean, it didn't take me very long to make, but I was not sure I could put together the logic at all. And voting is going to be even harder for sure. I'm not sure I'm going to pull it off. But thank you for joining, Boopful. That was awesome. I had a lot of fun.
Thanks for
Goblins and ogres. Just put on my half-dork outfit.
I don't have any of them. I have these. I have these. Probably these. All these. I think I'm going to stay with this. This is a really ugly goblin.
I guess a head on a pike would be pretty good for a goblin. Ogre. The snot head, yeah. All right, awesome. Well, I appreciate everybody hanging out today. Tomorrow's going to be a big stream. I'll probably stream for a couple hours. I don't know how long Roxy can hang out. Maybe I'll even hang out longer than the stream crash time. That means like a 4-hour stream if I do that.
24 hours
No,
stream?
4-hour. In the 24-hour, my
Oh,
stream would crash 12 times. That'd be pretty funny though. Every 2 hours, you get a notification that Fredford's going live. What the fuck? Turn notifications off for this guy?
I mean, you can. There is something to.
I just have to get a new router eventually. Just have to get a
Yeah.
new updated router. But until then, let's see here. Roxy,
No.
anything you want to say before we sign off for the day?
Thanks everybody for passing by. Thanks Woodful for joining in. Experience also go check everybody the post on X about tomorrow's event
Yep, I'm gonna
and
retweet
share it
it.
if you like it. Yeah, that would be nice.
Oops, I always do that. I always forget to. I'll just leave it. Oh yeah, and the Misty Mountain Sand coal coin. I'm gonna give that away tomorrow too. We'll just give that away to
Pass.
somebody that's in stream.
Mm,
It's a pass for participating in the Misty Mountain season that's going on. It's going to be going on for 2 more weeks. I'm not exactly sure how big the prize pool got, but I think there's like 8 to 10 people participating. It would cost 50 sand. So it'll be a substantial prize. And if you can win or get a high place, it's the OG classic Misty Mountain rebuilt and for the current Sandbox and single player. It's single player. So yeah, it's pretty nostalgic. It's a good time. So we'll be giving that away to a viewer that is just there and is there at the time of raffle, which will be at the end. Pretty much. All right. Cool. And then just a final note. We are having a fun show tomorrow. But also, we have 4 amazing artists working on a gear set that for another show that's going to happen in 15 days. We'll be talking about that. We have a website now, impossibledream.studio. So that'll be a cool place to go to find all our information. And get into the Discord and interact with the bot. And we'll be doing our best to make sure we update everybody in the Discord a little better on the channels. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow, 4 p.m. UTC, on my stream right here to give away some USDC and a pass to the Misty Mountain season. I don't see anybody to raid, so I'm just going to leave you here. But much love, everybody. I appreciate you very much. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye. Bye.